Do you guys remember doing that back in school? I used to do this all the time in middle school and high school, and my teachers hated me. They almost were gonna ban pencils and pens because we did it all the time, but 6 beats in the class. Anyways, let's get to the video. Today is a little bit different, as you can tell, because I'm in front of a computer monitor, well, 3, and I'm not in front of my car, which is very weird because this channel is about cars and about my C63S, so why am I sitting at a desk at a computer? So today's video is going to be about how to import presets into Lightroom so you can use it on your phone and on your PC. And it's going to be a quick one, but it's going to be a good one because there is a giveaway that goes with this video. And I'm going to explain it right now, I might as well. So I'm giving away 3 of my presets that I use. And the first one's going to be teal and orange subtle. Next one's off-white, and the third one is winter singes. I just try to come up with some artsy names. They're kind of dumb, but they're really cool presets. I use them all the time on my photos. So the rules for the giveaway is on Instagram. In order to get 2 entries, you have to first like the photo. You also have to be following me, and then third, comment with 2 of your friends' tags in the comment, and that will give you 1 entry. And then the second entry is if you reshare it to your story. Then on YouTube, if you like the video and you comment saying you want the preset, that's another 2 entries that you can use for the competition. So on YouTube alone, if you just like the video and comment, you get 2 entries. And then if you also do Instagram, you can get 2 more, so you can get a total of 4 entries for this giveaway. And there's going to be 15 winners because presets, there's not a definite amount. There's going to be 15 people that can win this, so you definitely want to get as many entries as you can because it's going to be a great giveaway. A lot of winners, which is cool. So that's the giveaway. Let's get to the tutorial. All right, so first thing you want to do is you want to open up Lightroom. So we're going to go to the Adobe Creative Cloud. Because Adobe got rid of just having the apps, now it's part of the cloud system. You want to open up Lightroom, and the important thing to remember is that only people that have Lightroom can use presets, and also Lightroom Classic, but Lightroom Classic is not available on mobile, so this tutorial is for the regular Lightroom. So we want to go, I had to shoot, so let's say we had this photo, right? So you want to go up to here, File, Import Profiles and Presets. Then you go to the place where the presets are located, which for me is going to be presets for free. So you want to open up presets for free, and the file extension is going to be .xmp. So you can just kind of click whatever ones you want. There's 4 here, but I'm only giving away 3. So let's say you wanted to import winter singes. You import. It's already been imported, so that's why that's showing up. Click OK. No presets or profiles found. That's because I already have that one. So next, you want to go to your photo. Let's go to this one. So you want to click over here where the edits are, and then you go down here to where it says presets. You click on presets, and boom, user presets. It should be right here. Let's use a teal and orange subtle. Okay, so this looks pretty good already, but the number one thing that you need to know about presets is that they don't always work for every single photo. And sometimes you gotta make micro adjustments in order to make it, good enough for the photo that you're trying to edit. So it's important to realize that, like, if I put in like winter singes, that doesn't look bad. This one doesn't look that good. That's all right. And then let's go to the off-white. Let's see, off-white just doesn't look right for this photo, so I'm not going to use it. But let's use teal and orange subtle, if it loads. Okay, there we go. So it's kind of dark in my opinion, so what you can do in this instance is that you can just up the exposure up a little bit, and boom, that's good. You can bring down the shadows a little bit. I'd bring it up, and then maybe just bring it down a little bit as well. So that's pretty much it for presets. It's very easy. And now if we go to our mobile phone, and I'll show you guys also on mobile, if we go to Lightroom, and then all you really have to do is just go, oh, there's a picture of me, hello. And let's go back, let's go to another one of these, this one for example, right? Let's go to presets, And because it's part of the cloud, the presets on Lightroom will sync with your profile on your mobile phone as long as it's the same account. And it will pop up here. See, now I have off-white, teal and orange subtle, and winter singes. See, teal and orange is all right, but it's so dark you can't see anything. So, like again, you go to the adjustments and you up the exposure, and boom, it's a much better looking photo. You just got to make sure that you always make the micro adjustments when you are adding presets, unless it looks good straight from the box. Most of the time it won't, but you can just do those micro adjustments and it will look good. And you can see how there's a selective gradient like filter. That's okay, you can leave that there, and then you can add more filters if you want, but for right now I think that looks good how it was. That's before, and then that is after. So, you know, presets, very easy stuff, don't have to worry about too much, and it's just a faster way of editing. If you're on the go and you don't really have time to make adjustments, you could just pop up the preset, boom, your photo looks great. I wouldn't suggest doing that for every single photo, but if you're in a rush, it's a good way to edit photos on the go. And also, if you're new to photos, I learned by having Shadow M4's presets, which you can follow him on Instagram below. He's a great photographer. I used his presets at the beginning when I first started doing car photography seriously, and I learned making micro adjustments. And because I had his presets and I was making adjustments, that really helped my editing and my editing style, because I kind of learned what works, what doesn't work, what selective edit works, and things like that. So it's a very good learning tool. And that's pretty much the tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe, comment. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at stealth_C63S, because we're doing that giveaway. Make sure you participate in that giveaway and you'll get the free presets on your phone and your PC. So, it's your boy Bacali, and I'm out.